Remember, don't do this by yourself like we're doing. Don't do it. I've been doing stuff like this for a long time. Don't do it by yourself. I don't see anybody over there, which is good.
What do you hear? A sound?
I hear a lot of sounds. I don't know what it's coming from. Okay, come on, let's go see. Just to make sure there's no animals or anything. Okay, stay right there. Don't get any closer. Okay? I'm just trying to see if we can see frogs or anything. Because frogs are usually a good sign. Or not a good sign, but a sign that something is going on. But I don't see anything. I just hear a lot of crickets, which is a good sign for right now.